Trump won the elections, Bitcoin is chilling at an all-time high. These markets are indeed extremely strong, and in this video I want to talk about 5 meme coins that get me extremely excited right now, and I personally believe can make insane gains in the next 6 months in the crypto markets. Of course guys, if you're trading memes, doesn't matter what they are, altcoins, real world assets, layer 1s or 2s, or just Bitcoin, you can use Blowfin down below, the link there to get trading on leverage and use this tool to make some more gains in the markets. If you want to amplify your results, the Blowfin link is right down below. So let's just crack on with the video, guys. Number 1 is going to be No Man's Land, a new meme coin with a real life mission behind it. It's a movement mission, but it's also a meme coin on the Solana chain. Now this, in my opinion, could potentially 10 to 100x. It's a real KYC'd meme coin, and you can see, just look at it. Daniel Eggington is the founder here, the dev, and then you've got Jake as well, who's on the social side. He's the guy that went from the UK to Romania and had his own coin as well, which is absolutely insane. So they've got 6 robust, grueling, absolutely beyond the limits, sort of physically and mentally pushing tasks. You can see here one of the adventures takes them into the Amazon, another adventure takes Dan into the cold Arctic, another one takes him into the ancient sands within Morocco, where he's going to find the lost city of Atlantis. And you can see here as well, uncover the secret of the Hunza tribe, where he goes to Pakistan, then another mission where he's going to Sichuan, and another mission where he's going to walk through 2,000 miles in Siberia. And they do actually set off for the first mission in literally just a week. So in 7 days, they'll be flying to Brazil to make that first mission come true. Now, this isn't just a meme coin. This is a coin that actually really serves purpose. It's philanthropic. They've got their own charity, which is Beyond Boundary Foundation. So they're giving back to micro communities across these different countries, which makes it ever so important as well. You can also see just overall, it's a really cool looking coin. And this is, like I say, on the Solana chain. So it's a Solana ecosystem, very easy to buy. You can use it with your Phantom wallet. I do personally think we will see a breakout soon, looking at the price action. So $3.1 million market cap, 0.00319 on the overall value at the moment. And the contract is renounced, so that's also another important factor here to actually mention on this particular meme coin. I'll show you at the bottom. You can see there's 1 billion on the tokenomics. As we see over here, there is 1 bill, total supply, the liquidity is locked, there's no taxes, and again, the contract is renounced. Now, personally, what makes it stand out right now is, of course, it's a movement mission, it's a meme coin, they're going out and doing some incredible things for the world, but also for the coin itself. The contract address is there on the screen. I'll also leave it down below, a link to the charts too. And yes, the launch was insane. It went to $12 million in basically 5 minutes of being live. It was an absolute parabolic launch. And because of that parabolic launch and happening so quickly, it did correct quite harshly. So we're seeing it travel at the moment in this falling wedge kind of style pattern at the moment, as you can see right here, when we just move these resistances. And I do think we will get a breakout soon. I honestly think we could go back up to a healthy level. And right now, decent liquidity. The volume's not insane, but the marketing has just begun for this coin. So this is a coin I spotted, and I just think, honestly, the narrative, the story is just like no other. So make sure you do check them out on Twitter, have a little follow of what they're doing. You can see they're going to be taking their cameras, they're going to be doing all these crazy missions for you guys, and to, of course, make the world a better place at the same time. Make sure you give them a follow on Instagram and also Twitter to see what could potentially happen with this coin. I think it could really be that next 10x potential. So the next one will be Pepe Unchained. They've raised $25.6 million. You can see at $26.1 million, they will go up in price again. 1 Pepe Unchained is 0.01239. And yeah, overall, it's a really cool layer 2 ecosystem. We can see Pepe Unchained itself is going to comprise of a very vibrant ecosystem, having its DEX, Bridge, Block Explorer, staking, and developer grants. Pepe Unchained layer 2 is here to be like an alternative ecosystem to Pepe, which exists at the moment. Now, it's an ICO, so of course it's not financial advice. None of these coins are. Meme coins are indeed risky, as we know, but it's where the narrative is right now. And it just is extremely fun, right? Also, we can see here, they got developer grants as well. So that's very, very cool. And I'd say overall, I'm just keen to see what's going to happen of this, because it's been live for a while. The pre-sale has been live for at least 5 months. And At the end of the day, 8 billion total coins, 40% sold in the pre-sale. They've got the ammunition to make this really, really good, in my opinion. They've really got the ingredients here to make this a good ICO and a very good meme coin. So research it down below. Here is the overall product view. Because it's not just a meme coin, so you can actually see they've got like a DEX, they've got a block explorer, they've got the developer grants and all these cool things happening. So if you're a fan of Pepe, maybe Pepe Unchained could be good for you as well. I'll leave a little link down below where you can do your own research and due diligence, but never risk more than you can afford to lose. It's always rule number one. Also, they have 93% on the staking rewards at the moment. So if you like compounding your coins and putting them to work to actually get some staking rewards, that's something you can also potentially do. Popcat is the next one, $1.55. I still think Popcat is undervalued. I think $2 could absolutely happen for Popcat in the upcoming future. Over the last 7 days, Popcat did actually come down to $1.20 and has pumped massively to $1.55. Hasn't actually created a new all-time high, which is $1.77, I believe. And of course, by market capital, it hasn't got there yet. But I do think $2 billion is actually quite a realistic one as well. 2 billion, pretty realistic, I would say. So keep your eyes peeled for a 2 bill market cap, because I think when we get into sort of December, January, February, this is where coins will go into absolute euphoria, and fingers crossed we will see the next big all-time high for Bitcoin, which will probably be like 82, 83k, which is also the inflation adjusted all-time high for Bitcoin. So that's definitely coin number 3 for me. Popcat, really good. If you want to buy Popcat, you can use Blowfin as well. They've got tons of meme coins that you can go leverage on or just buy them on spot. Blowfin will also give you some sign-up rewards if you use my link. How lovely is that? Coin number 4 over here, guys. We're going to talk about it. Coin number 4 is going to be Brett. Brett on the base chain. And this is because Brett has come down quite tremendously, actually. In terms of market capital, it's come down from 1.13 bill, came down to 700, it's now at 900 billion. And when we look at the overall all-time high, it's come down from 1.66. So it's come down 50%. It's holding the floor really nicely to bring in a new sort of accumulation layer to allow new people to enter the coin, the ecosystem, and hopefully prepare for that next wave up. Brett is, of course, a base chain ecosystem, and it's one of the very basically first ecosystem, and meme coin on the base is Pepe's best friend on the base. You can see Pepe's chilling there on the grass with Brett. And yeah, tons of partners, loads of exchange accessibility, and just insane growth potential for this coin as well. It's hard to say exactly where it will go, but these cult meme coin style tokens is what people really love, and you can see they're just pushing out tweets, getting tons of engagements, retweets, and likes. And of course, I said there was 5 meme coins in this video, but the 5th one really is going to be no man's land, because yes, it's the 1st and the 5th, because I want you to see it at the end of the video and just remind you guys how awesome this is. Just take it in quickly, just with me. This guy here, Daniel, he's going to be going out and doing these crazy stories, these crazy missions. Let's just read one quickly. Look, let's just read one of the missions together and just really get a flavor for how ridiculous it is. So we can go here. Dan's journey will mark a world's first expedition, a 2,000-mile solo trek from the headwaters of Lake Baikal through the Arctic in winter darkness, a feat unparalleled in the world of exploration. For 8 to 12 weeks, Dan will navigate one of the Earth's harshest environments, with temperatures plunging to minus 60 by the way, to minus 70 degrees, and under the constant shadow of the night. The unprecedented journey will test survival skills, mental fortitude, and physical endurance in ways that no other expedition has. So he's going to be out there in the Arctic, all alone, out there in the Arctic, risking it all for the content, for the meme coin. And that's just one little stepping stone of the overall coin itself. Very, very interesting to see what it's going to do. Like I say, they'll be going to the Amazon very, very soon. Just in 7 days, actually, they're going to cycle 400 miles into the most dangerous parts of the favelas. So looking at the overall price action of this coin, I think we will eventually see some volume come through, guys. I think if we just were to look at the technicals, we want to break back through 0.003675. A lot of eyes are on this token, but the 1618 fib would suggest a new local high at 0.0052, so we could see a 65% breakout soon if the volume comes flowing in and we do break down these resistance targets. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. Again, have a look at it. It's very, very young. This, in my opinion, is like getting into Pepe at the very start, because what happened to Pepe at the start, it too, like this coin, corrected 80%, and I think that's what this did. It came down from the top, corrected down about 80%. So it's not that bad. It just happened so quickly that it felt bad. Pepe did correct 80%, but then it went on to do 50x and more. So if you believe in the story and how this can disrupt the crypto markets, then do a bit of research on it. Maybe you want to just have a small bag. Maybe you want to get a moon bag. Maybe you want to get a bigger bag to really hold for the long term. Like I say, it's going to be one of the coolest things that you've ever seen in crypto. It's going to be a story like absolutely no other. And yeah, this is the dude right here. So definitely worth having a look at. Very early days. Guys, if you're new, make sure you subscribe, like the video, share with your friends. Consider becoming a patron as well. We've only got 3 crypto legend slots available. If you're serious about growing your crypto portfolio this coming bull run, this will give you early alpha, access, trading signals, early insights to all the cool things coming up in the markets, future signals to make some great trades in these markets as well. And yeah, hopefully grow your portfolio, amplify your crypto gains, become time, location, financial free. Check it all out down below if you also want to get all the benefits that these guys have. And thank you to all the existing and new members that do join. Don't forget to check out the meme coins that we looked at in this video. Coin number 1 was, to summarize, No Man's Land. Coin number 2 is Pepe Unchained, the ICO. Coin number 3 is Popcat on Solana. I still think this can get to $2. I just really feel it. And coin number 4 is Brett on the base chain. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Peace.